What's going on, guys? So today I just got off a 12-hour shift. Been doing 12-hour shifts for a while, but I got a nice surprise. In the last video I talked about how there was something going on with the car, so I came home to a Seibon carbon box. So I can only guess what you guys could think that is now, along with my washer fluid spray nozzle thing. Yeah, so today we'll just go ahead and open it, see how it looks, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the install later when I have a little more time, a little more rested. So then, that way it lines up right, taking the hood off and stuff. I'm super excited. I've been wanting this hood ever since I got the car, and especially after I got rid of the 32 because I had a Seibon hood on it, so yeah, heck yeah. Alright, so we moved the hood to the backyard so that way I could lay it out and get it open. Now, don't mind the mess. It looks like a construction site because most of my free time lately I have been building this chicken coop, which is pretty cool. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. It's not a kit, but we didn't have plans and just bought the lumber and stuff from Home Depot and Lowe's. And enough of that, let's go back to the video that we're hoping to shoot here. But yeah, insulation packet. Oh, you get some awesome carbon fiber stuff. Chairs, rocking chairs, baggage. Universal catalog for the goods. Alright, this looks really good. I'm super excited. Man, okay. Anyways, there we have it, guys. Carbon fiber Seibon hood for the GTR 33. There is one thing that I'm really happy about. And in the pictures it shows it silver, but the mesh right here is already black. And I was getting it out ready to paint because I thought I was gonna have to paint it, but it's all good. And right here, so you can see the scoops like that. So this should definitely help with cooling. And then I already got the nozzles for this, so I could almost go ahead and put it on right now, but I'll wait till we do the full install. And the underside looks really nice too. I just directs it. They already cut it out. So of course I'm gonna have to get hood pins eventually. I'm gonna plan a day, and you'll see we're about to do the install. Alright, and welcome back, guys. So we got the hood I think on Monday or Tuesday. I got it right there. It is now Saturday morning, and luckily I had the day off, so I'm gonna get started a little early. So first things first, we gotta take off the hood. No reason for the car cover except for dust, just because I keep undercover in the garage. We're putting towels on each corner so it don't ruin the glass or the hood. Anyways, I'm gonna attempt to do it myself, and then later on JR is probably gonna come over and later to actually get the hood on. So yeah. Now let's see if this pulls on. Yeah, pretty easy. Oh yeah, so it's attached in the back, so we're gonna have to mess with that later on. I'll just attach that for now. I'm gonna completely do that side first, but I'll do one at a time. Alright, there we have it, guys. A quick uninstall of the OEM hood. super easy. So to be perfectly honest with you, I know the hood's aluminum. So the 33s, I don't know about 32s, but I know the 33s, they went to aluminum front fenders, hood, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, it felt pretty heavy on the car whenever you lift it up. Now actually taking off and carrying it myself, it felt super light. I only picked up the carbon fiber hood once, but comparatively, I don't think the weight difference is going to be that much. But what's going to be good with the carbon fiber hood is a lot of the hot air escapes the engine bay, which these motors do run very hot. Anyways, yeah. Check it out. So super easy uninstall. The install should fairly be pretty easy too. My plan as of right now is to wrap this up and then put that in the box for storage. A little later in the day, JR is on his way to give me a hand. And I'm not gonna lie, I actually drove the car around with the hood off for a little bit. I didn't record any of it, but yeah, just cause it's different and it's cool. OEM hood under here, under soft blankets, classic ET. But anyways, that's gonna go in the box. We're gonna wrap it up later on. And I went ahead and I just unbolted the piece of wood right here. It protects the corners. I'm actually gonna put this on the OEM hood later for storage, but those bolts there were just 10 millimeters, obviously too. Pretty straightforward, I don't need to explain that. All right, our trusty help, JR, just showed up. So he's very experienced on this, so yeah, well, especially for these new hood pins that I do want to get. I haven't used this style. What's it called, J-lock or something?
I don't know, something like that.
Yeah, the little flush lock ones.
Yeah,
that's what I want.
Arrow catch ones.
Arrow catch. So, but anyways, first things first. Let's slap this bad boy on.
Follow your lead. Not my first rodeo. Good. Usually like this, and I'll put it on top of my head.
Well, there you go, guys. It's on there. It's I definitely need to get the hood stopped. You can see the little lip right here. Not bad, but man, thanks, JR.
No problem, bro.
Definitely had a little bit of fine tuning, a little adjustment. Yeah, this guy I'm gonna do a hand file. It just needs a little bit of trim to fit this guy in here, as you can see. But yeah, not bad though. It's looking good.
I think it looks good.
Yeah, my original plan was to actually paint the hood, the body color,
yeah,
and then just leave like the vents exposed carbon. But I don't know. I kind of like the whole carbon look, at least for now.
Yeah, for now. Until you see the price of that paint job.
Yeah. All right. So swap locations. JR was gracious enough to say, let's go ahead and polish it, and then add some more ceramic coat again. Yeah. So that way, now the whole car's again ceramic coated.
Especially with something new, right? We got to give it some protection, some kind of protection.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, you like, who knows how good the gel is on this one, but I mean, I'm sure it's pretty good, but we'll go ahead and get it all sorted. So we popped the hood to, I forgot what we were doing. Oh, I was gonna clean the little spray nozzle hole, some polish got in there, and then you notice that the bottom bolts were actually laying down on the fender here, so they must have shook loose, or I didn't tie them enough, but either way, JR's throwing some Loctite on that he has, so good looking out, man, thank you.
It's not like we went far, we went 2 miles.
Yeah, so even if I didn't tighten it up that tight, I mean, they both fully were laying, came out and laying on the fender, so that's one thing to keep an eye out. So if you guys go ahead and do that, I never had this issue with my hoods except this one, so yeah, show me something new on the camera. All right, so we're applying the ceramic coat now. What was this one called again?
Armor Shield.
Armor Shield.
Yeah, all the hype YouTubers are using it.
Oh, there we go. It's one step at a time. So basically, what do we do here? We wait till it turns oily.
Yeah, it'll haze over. It'll have that oily effect to it, and then it's ready to wipe off.
Sweet. Again, thank you, JR, for hooking me up.
Anytime. Big thanks to Armor Shield for hooking it up.
Oh yeah,
Not me.
Armor Shield, yeah.
Yeah, Armor
They
Shield.
don't know me yet though. They know you, not me.
We'll put a link down in the description.
Heck yeah. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah, that button, one button thing's nice. So, JR showed me the one button technique for the camera. I always turned it on and then press record. But he said, just press record and it goes. So
Yeah, it turns on and starts recording on its own.
So yeah, learn something every day, right? But yeah, we finished it all up, polished, ceramic coated, install. Like I said, later on, probably tomorrow, I'm gonna wind those holes up to get those nozzles in there. But it actually worked out. We didn't have them in there, so that way it's nice and flat for the polishing and ceramic coating. And I went ahead and did the vinyl wrap in front too, so that thing is looking good. Thanks, man. Thanks for the help.
Dude, the polishing really helped. The depth and the clarity just makes it look shinier. It looks really good. Makes the carbon fiber really stick out more.
It does. It makes it look like it's $1,000 more than what it does. Yeah. It's cool here. You can see the bronze and my motor there. So heck yeah, awesome. What we're gonna do here now is we're gonna make this slightly wider so that way little washer fluid nozzles will fit. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but yeah, just ever so slightly. So what I'm actually doing is I'm using these little files, which I know one's metal and then one's a little lighter wood, but it is just for the fine tuning. I've used this before to get these things on my carbon fiber hood on my 32, and it worked pretty good. So we did have to do some trimming on the latch. We're just trying to hurry up so I didn't explain it too much, but yeah, I just had to do a little bit of trimming with the Dremel to get it to fit. And of course right here, this is the part that's bothering me. Everything lines up, but the hood is sitting slightly lower than the fenders. So I'm gonna go ahead and just order bumper stops to actually lift the hood up. There we go. It's very nice. The metal file, the thinner, more fine. Let's see if you can see it. The more fine actually does a lot better on trimming the carbon fiber than the wood one. I mean, this wood one is not even a really rough one. It's a pretty fine wood one, but the metal one actually does better. And there we have it. Done. So like I said, now I just gotta do the hood buffers and then hood pins. But man, I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Anyways, let's get out in the sunlight and let's really see it. So I'm driving to check out the hood. I don't know if you can see here, but here's the view from inside. I'm trying not to smack my camera on the windshield because I have a metal case. But yeah, scoops. Looking pretty good, huh? Yeah. I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. Alright, so we made it to the destination for now. Good enough. I gotta make sure I don't roll down that guy. Doesn't look steep on camera, but trust me. It is. But look at that. Ooh. Get my shadow on that. Look at that, guys. What do you think? Now that looks good. Alright, so look-wise, I'm really impressed with it. It looks awesome. The fitment, I'm satisfied with it. There's just those little things I gotta do to fix it. Like I said, the hood buffer, but that should be an easy fix. And then yes, we are gonna get hood pins, especially before we go back to the track. Highway speeds though, it seems totally fine. Alright, but here's my thing about this hood. It's carbon fiber, it's supposed to be lighter. Yeah, it uses a fiberglass frame. I thought my stock hood was heavy, just because when you lift it open, I don't know, the brackets maybe, when I took it off, it was super light. Now, like I said, the GTR 33 used the aluminum, or however you want to say it, hood, and it's super light. And then JR and I both picked up this hood and the stock hood, and I don't know, we kind of think that the stock hood is a little bit lighter than this carbon fiber hood. Now, the weight difference isn't, if this one's heavier, it's not by much, which is okay. I mainly got it for the looks because I like the carbon fiber look, but also it has better heat dispersion with the vents. So all in all, I think it's a good buy. If you don't like the look and you're wanting to go lightweight, then stick with the stock hood. But if you want to go with somewhat lightweight and a little better look and heat dissipation, you know, I do recommend this hood. So again, shout out and thanks to JR. Be sure to check out his channel. And so you're aware where I got this hood, I'll put a link down below. I got it from Vivid Racing, my buddy Andrew. He hooked me up with it and he got it over here as soon as he could. Everything is on back order, so considering a back order, between 4 to 5 weeks, this came in pretty quick, so I'm happy with it. But yeah, hope you guys like it. Enjoy. Take care.